How to customize your Skype application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily customize your Skype application. So if you are also using your Skype application for the first time, you might want to make sure you have successfully signed in or logged into your account. And once you're inside here, simply click on the top left corner your profile section, and from over here you scroll all the way down until you see this settings option. So simply click on it, and from over here you can see the appearance option. Just click on it, and as you can see, you can simply change your themes you by customizing it. You can also use different types of color in the buttons. As you can see, I can turn the colors just like this on whichever color you like, and to change your theme you simply have to click on this one of these three options. As you can see, it's currently using my system setting. So if I want to change on the light mode, it automatically changes to light mode when I click on light. So that's exactly how you can easily customize your Skype application. You can also select high contrast or high contrast dark, just like this. So under the light section it doesn't work, these two options. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.